about to make the great growing crystals. Sometimes things can change in surprising ways. What do you think will happen when you put the tiny crystals from your kit into a cup of water? It can't be that surprising, right? Right? So we need 20 grams of super absorbent jelly crystals, 3 cups of water, 6 fizzy tins. Finally get to use these things. Okay, it says, pick a few super absorbent jelly crystals out of the bag and play with them. So, everybody take just a tiny bit, not a lot, like a pinch. A pinch.
So
yeah.
Just
grab one.
If I can even hold on, Skyra.
I can open it.
They're childproof.
Give it to me.
They're childproof.
I'm so sick of you guys arguing. You have to rip it first, I noticed. So, like, it doesn't actually
Clean it. Get in here.
Like I said, it's childproof.
We don't need that. It's supposed to be childproof.
We do need recipe.
Not right now, we don't.
That's for the
Put
balls.
it down.
Oh my god. Family friendly.
You're so...
Sure, family. Freaking friendly.
Imagine I toss this and it lands all the way to that stop sign.
Let's not.
Oh, I
need to hurry this
squirted
up.
on
I'm
myself.
We actually might.
hungry.
This actually might work really good for some.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. When we're done with all this. Okay. Give me your hand.
For making babies.
Come here.
And me.
What's it feel like, Sky?
It feels hard.
These
go.
crystals.
So play with
What
them.
are they?
Play with them a little bit. See what they feel like. Brayden, come over here.
They look like salt.
See what they feel like.
I can feel it. They feel like white crystals.
Hey, you said play with them.
I am
They look
playing
like-
with them. We just need to find something. If they get
So
trapped.
what do you observe about them
It's like
when
a
you play
little
with them? What do you feel?
They look like salt.
What do they feel like?
I feel like miniature pebbles.
So they're like crunchy kind of
Yeah.
feeling?
Yeah, I feel
Yeah.
like that.
And if you drop it on the glass,
Does it make a sound?
Kind of a thud.
Yeah.
ding.
Now, fill your cups with a little bit of water. Don't have to be a lot. Just a tiny bit. Well, not that tiny. Dork. Dip the cup. I'm sick of you guys trying to take forever. Get a tiny bit. No, not that much. A little bit of water. That's fine if that's
Now
what
we
you wanna
drop-
do. Drop one in there.
Ah.
It's okay.
Oh,
It says now place one fizzy tablet into each cup.
I lost the other
Hang on,
one.
hang on, let me
Of
see that.
these. I lost the other one of these.
That's okay, we have more. Let me see it. Let me see it.
I'm gonna put water
Okay,
in Sky's
so-
cup for her.
You might want a little more water than that, Brett. Everybody get a little bit of water in your cup. Okay? That sounds good. Now, I'm gonna choose. What are you doing that for? You're ruining our table.
It's just water.
Does each cup have a little bit of water in it?
Yes.
Okay. So, Brayden
Thought you just supposed to put one.
did put one.
Oh, okay.
I want purple.
I want blue.
Skyra.
It's turning pink. It's pink.
Oh my god, it's turning blue.
Mine is pink.
Brayden's got yellow.
They're
Put it in the cup.
Dude, they're
Mine
like
is
miniature
pink.
bath bombs. I want to pick it up.
Mine is
leave it in
so
there.
pink.
It's kind of like what you put for.
Oh, mine.
It's
Mine.
okay. It's
The
all
one
right.
that I put in there.
Just leave it in there.
Check it.
Okay, so this says
Can you put one in your bowl? Yeah.
Hello,
the
YouTube.
water should start fizzing and change colors. Then set the cups aside.
Basically.
It says add 1/4 of a teaspoon of jelly crystals into each cup and leave the cups out overnight. Why are
I
you
said-
setting them aside? That's weird.
Who knows?
Jelly
Anyway,
crystals, where are they?
so I'll just kind of
It's so fizzy.
just
I'm
gonna
just gonna feel it. It feels
I just
so
want to put my
put a
finger
little
on
bit
it.
in each one. Okay, bring your cup. So we're going to put a little bit of the crystals in there. No, you've got what you get. Come here, Skyrim.
Listen to it.
Weird. I wonder if I pick it up.
Come here, Rep.
It's all fizzy.
I'm gonna put
You should listen to this.
It sounds all
Probably
fizzy.
sounds like
I
soda
put the
pop.
rest in there.
Hey, how about we leave this until we finish the last one?
Well,
And then
actually,
we're
it
gonna-
says overnight.
Well, we're gonna see what happens after the last one. If it changes at all.
Well,
But
get a clear picture of what it looks like now at the video, so we can see what the difference is when we're done doing the other experiments. At the end, we may add a little more crystals because I'm not sure how much I put in there.
All right.
Okay,
You can't even pick up one crystal.
just leave it alone.
What's it feel like now, though? Are they starting to soften up at all?
Okay, so this says to go on to
They feel rumble.
this says to go on to something else because the
Yeah.
rest of it's for tomorrow.
All right, we'll pause this one.
The crystals.
Babe, that one's done.
I did. Go.
Okay, so the next one is for the bouncy ball.
Do you want to just make one together? I don't know if they'd share it, though.
Wait, let's
You
take
can't,
turns
that's what I'm
doing it.
saying.
Let's take turns doing it.
You can't. It's all
No.
just a certain amount.
We'll just have to do it at a different time, then. We'll just move on to the
I wish I
lava
could
lamp.
just jump this out.
We're gonna have to do the bouncy ball ourselves, guys, because there's not enough for the three of you to do it separately.
Or we can get another kit.
Well, we could just try to figure out what the bouncy ball powder is made of, and make some for each of them.
Homemade.
But we'll do that another time, okay? Guys?
Yeah.
So this time we're gonna do building your own lava lamp. Woo! Everybody take
Where's
a
the lid
beaker.
for that one?
There we go.
There.
So
I'm gonna
before we
take
do anything, dump it out. Before we do anything, let me read. Lava lamps were really popular in the 1960s and 70s. It is easy to see why. They're fun to watch and they light up a room. What more could you ask for?
We can have.
Well, how about
lights.
a homemade lava lamp? This design is a little different than the lamps your parents or grandparents might have, but you can still learn a lot from it. So we need a test tube.
Looks like pink. Mine looks like a rainbow.
We need a test tube, fizzy tints. Good thing I only put one in each one.
Pea.
Warm water and vegetable oil. Okay, so this
But mine
says.
looks like pea.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this cup and get hot
Joe?
water.
Okay.
Super
No,
hot water.
Well,
you don't need it.
it says
I
to use
don't
warm
need it.
water.
It's fine.
I don't
Okay.
need it.
This water is temperature.
Okay.
It's not cold. Okay,
We put this in there.
Not yet.
I'm going to read. You guys need to hush. Okay? Hush. This says to add vegetable oil to the test tube until it's 3/4 of the way full. Okay? So,
I'm specimen 1.
give
I'm
me
specimen 2.
Oh, I'm
your
01.
test tubes.
No, I'm specimen 3. I
Skyrim.
want to hold mine.
No, I'm going to do it. So
Wait, it might be that little line.
Second.
that's what I was going
Red's
for.
first, yours second.
Hang on.
Yours is second because
Jeez Louise, you guys. Okay. Don't dump it. This
Now-
stuff is really, really, really sticky.
And stains everything.
hey, I'm third because
Hey, why didn't they say to put vegetable oil in it? It's really sticky.
whoever has
Don't
See?
spill it.
Oh, I
whoever
see
has
why
the
we need
most,
vegetable
1, 2,
oil.
3.
It separates from water because it's denser.
Whoever has 1 goes
We're
first.
dead
Whoever has
soon.
2 goes
Where
second.
that's,
Whoever has
Yes,
3
we
goes.
get the concept of numbers, sweetheart. Okay, now,
Oh no, it's more tired of opening it now.
then fill the
That's
rest
it for
of the
today.
tube with water. Now this, I would use the dropper just because
It's
it's
such a
going
small
to be really
space.
hard to make the rest of it go in
They're
there.
not dumping
So
it.
fill it up not to the screwed part, but to this line here. You see that?
okay.
Just fill it to that.
Look at it.
Put some more water in there.
Mine's so cold.
You should see the water sink to the bottom of the tube.
Look at that. It's bubbling.
Ooh.
not bubble.
Not yet.
Little bubble.
You gotta put water in it first, babe. Look at that.
It's one of my expensive. I'm about to put it in. Expensive. And look. Hey, there's bubbles on there right there.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
A little more.
this.
The water is lighter. Almost there.
The water sinks.
Uh-huh.
So it's not lighter, it's heavier.
Is it?
Put it like this.
The water would be on the top if it was lighter.
That's true. I didn't remember science. It's been too long.
I do.
Look, what it's doing.
Is that good?
Yeah, you can stop there if you want to. Now put it in the thing. Put it in the beaker
container.
holder for now.
And I will do it for
No,
Skyra.
she can do
She can
her
do it.
own. She's a big girl.
I'm gonna play with my car.
Just do it as quick as possible, please. Without making a mess, alright?
Quick as possible and I could get a mess.
Nope. I got my own too.
Why are you guys taking forever? Just squeeze it until it's full and then just dump it in and it'll go past.
Yeah.
Just take it
You
full.
do it how you want to do it, okay?
So I can make it right here.
science.
Keep going.
Do it how you want.
No, put it to this line here. Basically to the lip. Let me see. Skylar, let me see how much water you have. Okay, a little more. You could probably stop there if you want. It doesn't have to be full.
No, that's.
Okay,
It's probably
That's
good,
good.
baby.
stop. Give it to Braden.
I want to ask. So mine's second.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah. I'll do the sensory one next time. That'll be fun. Just go through each of the boxes.
Although next time I think we should get one for each of the kids.
Yeah.
So we don't have to try to figure out how to split it up.
Yeah. I didn't think about it. I figured it'd be more people friendly. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, but this is a little, there's just too much competition between them. They all want to do it at the same time. And that's not possible.
It's fizzing like a water.
Now rev it up.
Creating bubbles.
Okay, so Skyra, give me the controller. This is to go forward. This is to go backwards. Turn right. Turn left. And after you hold it,
Braden, you're not
It goes
getting
like
any
this.
water. Squeeze it,
but if you
let it
hold
suck it up, then put it in there. You're good. Put it in there. See?
there you go.
Oh,
Keep going.
Squeeze it before you stick it in there.
Oh, you can do it once
Yeah.
it's in there, it doesn't matter.
Okay, you ready?
I'm just putting it down.
Go
Experiment.
faster, please. Take forever.
Watch this.
He's having
Put it
fun.
down to here. Just goes up.
Causes bubbles.
Okay, stop.
I'm never putting her. I said stop.
Almost.
Ready, stop.
There you go, that's a
I told
lot.
Skyra to stop, and when I say stop, she has to give it to me. When I told her to stop, and she don't give it to me.
Put the toy away. You guys are really bugging me with this. Skyro, bring the controller back over here. Putting it away. Skyra,
Some of them are light.
give it to me.
Give me my controller.
No, I've got it now. Turn the damn thing off.
Some are going up and some. You don't turn this off.
Turn that off.
Whoa!
Put it away.
It's not going down.
Why did she go back in the house?
She's
We're
mad.
not done with this experiment, Skyra.
Maybe she
Didn't
doesn't
want to
want
do
to
it anymore.
Tell her we're about to put the fizzy tablets in. That's the fun part. Tell her to get her butt
Tablets?
out here.
Tablet. You are making my tablet dying. You keep making my tablet.
Okay, you know what? That's enough. You're bugging me. That's enough. Put the lid on it and put it over there.
That's good, babe.
I just want a little more.
Stupid flies.
You don't want it too far because you still gotta add the fizzy tablets.
Please stop.
That's
You're
good.
done.
Perfect.
It's in the same spot.
Good, you're done. Just be done. Come on.
Give me. Oh, okay.
What the heck is she doing in there?
giving her mom and dad food. Their food.
The dogs.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't ask
The
questions.
dogs are
Our mom
our real mom. Lives in Eastgate. Why the heck would she come here just eat one meal?
Don't know.
Unless she's
I'm
a
gonna-
lazy butthole. Which sometimes she is. And by sometimes I mean like
We're about to put the fizzy tablets in.
I told her the miniature.
First anyway, why don't you... Here, come here. Come here. You had blue last time?
Oh wow. It is separated.
Take the lid off. Oh, it sank to the bottom.
Now do I close it?
Yep, close it up, set it over there.
Wait, what is this again?
This is the lava lamp.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Now look at it. Look at it.
Come on, guys, we're doing the fizzy tablets.
Look at
Let's
this.
go.
Come over here, Brett. Look at it.
Put those back.
Look at it.
Hand hers. Hand Skyra hers.
Look at it
Alright,
go.
ready, Skyra? Take the lid off without making a mess,
Can I
okay?
hold the phone without showing you?
Ready? Watch it sink.
Oh wait, it's going
Put the lid
down.
on.
Going down for real.
Oh. Now put it in here so we can all watch.
Hey,
Brett, let's go. I
You
mean,
mean Braden?
Braden, let's go.
hey. I had one of the crystals from.
What's it doing? It's got a bug in it.
Mission failed. I'll give my son.
Look at it go.
Braden.
Now this is lava lamp.
Mhm.
Lava lamp fail. What? Wait, are we gonna get to keep the lava lamps?
Mhm.
We're gonna put something around it to keep it closed. Maybe we could melt it.
Melt what?
The
Plastic.
lid so it doesn't come off.
Or you can tape it or glue it.
That's what we were thinking. Take the lid off, put a little bit of glue around the edge, and just stick it back on.
I'm worried if you take it out now it won't fizz anymore. Because
Maybe
of all the
just around
carbon.
the edge then.
Mhm.
Braden!
Can I do it on mine?
Not yet.
I don't know if that glue will work.
Wait, Tasha's already here?
Why is she home? Come on! You're gonna do your fizzy tablet. Are you okay? Oh. Grab your
Put
tube.
it in there.
Grab your tube.
Yeah. All the dishes
Number 3.
Not all of the, what could fit. I'm recording, by the way. What could fit in the
But we're,
thing.
it up.
but we're using some of it.
Here.
For Sky.
Watch it sink. Put the lid on.
Oh,
Now set it in there
this is our magic sand.
so we can all watch what happens.
It can collect oil. And this is my slime.
Set it in there.
She's
Watch what happens.
She's giving her mom and
Mine's raising up.
why Skyra.
Oh, look at it go.
Holy crap! Now right now we're making lava lamps.
Why is there food in the living room?
Yeah.
Oh, you're walking in front of the camera, Skyra. We're trying to watch. How cool is that, Braden?
It's just like, hold on. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just gonna wiggle mine. Wait, there.
Hey, Skyra, come here. Skyra. Skyra.
Well, one's going down.
Skyra.
And
Come
it
here.
doesn't pop.
Grab your test tube. No, come here.
Come on, baby.
Test tube. I'm bringing
Your
them.
test tube. Grab the test tube. Don't set that there.
She doesn't have the.
Can I grab mine?
Back up. Now
Back
shake
up.
it. See what happens.
Look at it.
Turn it like this. Back.
There
Oh,
it
there you
goes.
Look at that.
I'm
How
gonna
cool
play
is
with
that?
it. I like it.
Yeah, you can play with that. Don't take the lid off though.
I won't. It just goes like that.
How cool is that?
Whoa, it's being bigger.
See what you could do? Is when it settles to the bottom, then flip it over and it'll do it again.
It keeps tilting. Brett,
Okay, let's see.
can I do bread for him?
No, he should probably do it
Okay.
himself.
So when you added the fizzing color tablet, it sank to the bottom of the test tube. There it hit the
I'm
pool
doing
of
it
water
for
and started fizzing and making bubbles of gas. This is because the main ingredients in the
There you
tablet,
go.
baking soda and citric acid, fizz and dissolve in water. Those bubbles should have carried colored water to the surface. Then the gas
I'm just
escaped
gonna
from
go
the
for
top
mine.
of the test tube
Fine.
and the water fell back down.
Guys, look at that.
This is because the water is more dense
empty.
than oil. In other words,
How do you
1 cup
see
of
them
water
be-
weighs
the-
more than 1 cup of oil.
The ones that are going down are big, and the ones that are going up are small. And some are going down that are small, but if you shake it, it turns big. That means that they're squishing together.
I didn't read
right?
ahead, but this says once your test tube settles down, put the cap on it, then tilt the test tube back and forth. And you get the oil and water to mix.
Make it look
No
at
matter
me.
how hard you try, you shouldn't be able to. This is because oil and
Besides-
water have different chemical properties.
Which
Water
one
is
the
made
best?
of pieces
Which one?
called polar molecules.
What is the bestest water?
And oil is made of
What is
non-polar
the bestest yellow?
molecules.
This or this?
Whether something is polar or non-polar
Guys, you
depends
have
on
to
its
pick
shape.
beside you.
Polar molecules want to stick together with other polar molecules, and the same is true for non-polar molecules.
Man, 3
This means
or
water and oil
water
will
hose,
always stay
sprinkler,
separate.
water hose thingy, sprinkler thingy. So it's gonna be this one because this
That's it.
is a lava lamp, but this, yeah,
That's it.
it's this. What did it look like? I'm playing
Kind
with
of
mine.
gooey, isn't it?
I'm playing with
Are
mine.
they gooey?
I'm playing with it.
They said they're like Orbeez.
Look at that.
You guys know he can't have any more juice, right?
Yeah.
Is it gooey?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tasha, you want to feel this?
No, I'm good. I gotta go back
Gotta
in.
go back to work.
Tasha, you know how Orbeez feel?
Okay,
Skyra.
get your hands out of Skyra's. Let her do that.
Well, she ain't.
Skyra, come over here.
God, I just feel like.
We're
Also, I
messing with our crystals.
also feel
Hey,
like putting my slime all over my car.
No more.
Tasha. Tasha. What time is what time is
Gotta
everyone
mess with your
tomorrow?
quick.
Tomorrow they'll go in the morning,
How
One
early?
dropped out.
like 8.
Ooh.
Well, no, like 10, 11.
Babe, we're gonna have to come over early if we
Look
want
at mine.
to do their crystals.
I just have Tasha look at it.
They're not
Will you videotape it and
Jello.
send it to us?
What?
jello.
What the
What
crystals look like in the morning.
Oh,
If you send it to her phone, then she can upload it to the YouTube with the rest of it.
Don't squeeze the juice out.
Brett, get the macaroni and cheese out of the back seat. I don't know which bag it's in, so you'll have to search.
Look at this. Look at this, Tammy.
It comes in a pack of 5, so grab 2. Probably on the other side.
Teresa, feel it. Lift it up. Here.
Ew, that's squishy.
Ew. Squishy.
I like it. One on me. Or did you feel the?
I just wiped the juice on your shirt.
Whoa,
you got
that
the
is
juice
so
one for
cool.
me? You got the yellow juice in there?
I like this kind of color. Pink and blue. It's cold. Get down.
Okay, he says the food bank ends at 3:30 to 2:30, so I'm gonna have to.
But
I mean,
I'm
ends
playing
at
with
3:30,
you.
so he wants to pick me up
Orby
at 2:30.
thing right now.
I dropped her off so she could watch the kids,
Yeah.
and I took him to do his court thing. And
Hold
I'm
on,
just
hold
going
on.
to
Can
do-
I show you something?
Well, we won't have the kids tomorrow.
How?
He had court for his husband's license or something.
It comes in 6.
So we'll have to pick him up at 2:30.
I'll grab 2.
Is that okay?
Tammy,
Huh?
I'm gonna grab 3.
No, 2 boxes is all we really
It's
need.
6.
Oh, is there 6?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was 5. Go ahead and grab 3 then. That's fine.
If it was 4, then you'll get 2. But
How's your feeling?
excuse me. Excuse me.
Well, almost there, right? Is that all that it did? Yeah. So you're going really good. They're very squishy though.
Yeah.
And they're soft. And
I found some at Brayden's and I accidentally squished them. Feels good. And I wish I could take them. It's just like yellowish. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. And it feels cold, but it's also slippery.
No, really? I thought they were hot.
See? It's slippery.
It was so hot.
If you just try to
I was
I like to get this stick on me.
So they didn't do very much. The only thing they did while they were, other than while they were here, the water's gone. They evaporated or the crystals took it. And they got more big. They got bigger, not more bigger, more bigger.
Because they sucked in the water.
Yep.
Why did they suck in the water? They look pink and blue. I like pink and blue, but purple. I like all the colors except brown.